Yeah, man's out there. Try to go on the farm now so I can go on and see it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelmed. I think that I'm broken but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you
I walk around, you know? On the road, yeah? Yeah, so there. Actually, I must reach, you know? On the river, cause walk for about 5 minutes. How far you walk today? Down with that road. So I'm kicking, you know?
Walk wide, knock him.
Kick it to the piece. Ah, shit. Up on the river there. See right banana? Not good. Yeah.
Pickle.
Pickle them.
So I like pickle.
So real Jamaican banana is it? Don't know. So I go on. So how do you do it?
Come on, I want right down, you know.
Yeah man.
Farm.
Come closer. You want the pretty?
Acres, we never do acres, 1 acres. Right down, production.
Yeah
Right
man.
production.
Yeah man, them man. Pretty.
Right production.
Shall
Right
one bag.
production.
One
Yeah man, you look good, I go and good night farm, that's it.
My farm.
Zoom it out.
Then don't boy this. So they don't boy this.
Can them want so much right banana?
Get right banana come.
Yeah.
Come and get some of them. I think I can buy them.
You see what they call survival, is it? In the country area. Don't know, lot of food there, so we can't starve, you understand? Jelly pan tree, banana, everything same way, you understand? So today, we also take a journey the same way, you know? Do some little hunting, understand? Show you know how typically how we survive, you understand? If nothing that house to eat, yeah. So there now, I'm almost reached on the river, and we still hunt for some banana same way, yeah. Show you how we do with it. Bust up man. Yeah. Yeah.
What else? Yeah man, check this up.
Oh.
Wala kang tipan rin, wala. Oh, dia bakal usik lagi. Beri api kamu beri.
Then watch ya. Bahan step on star. Where post jelly there? I don't want to say so far gone.
Kalau anda kat river dah good picture.
Yeah, go pada. Speak out.
Oh ya macam oh ya.
Dia road ni dah.
Yeah?
Ya.
Pull that.
Dia phone.
Yeah, we have up on the river again, you know. Grand there. Yeah, make a tour, you know. Yeah. I know we do it as usual. You understand? Yeah. We make a rest stop here, see it, Panny. Go over river, yeah. Go on easy. Take speed, you know. Yeah.
Come in, we on the road.
So there, Panny move again. Go through, you know. Oh, blood. Yeah.
But we walk like right here.
So then I go past there. See we can pick some apple. Them boy reach for me, you know, so you know, see how camera go to last. Apple night tree.
You look lower, please.
Yes, I'm okay. Bird I eat them up now.
Not man, I room why else for it. What that looks like? The bird over here, I fuck up your film, man. Sorry. Now I'm end up, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You have a project for me.
See bird there.
Man.
Yeah, people see it. Nice up, you know. Mm-hmm. Juicy, you know. Even though a bird can bite them out and thing. Yeah, man. Hey. So now move up movements again. Movements.
Now I enjoy young people.
Huh? Anna?
Nice little day, no?
I'm at me. Mike.
Only cover. You ain't catch it in him. That's it. 1, 2.
Alright. You mad. You messed. You mess. You mess. Messed.
Couldn't go here, that one.
Yeah, it's me again reporting live, you understand? Pick some jelly boat in a workout. So we're there up on the move again. Oh, look at water here. Tadpole.
Bullfrog picnic.
Alright, watch out. Say water come out there.
They lost a grand.
Say water's so bright as well.
Yeah man, they lost a grand, you know?
We are St. Margaret's Bay this.
Here down in the Pacific,
By North Coast.
you know?
Cause through the door so can't finish.
Can't dig one little hole and left here in the last a grand.
Mm-hmm. Straight on the earth.
Rest of that gone on the earth.
Eh? Where?
Yo, see birdie. Wait, see birdie. Alright, look.
So water calm.
Yeah man, crocodile down here man. Throw me crocodile, stick around.
Crocodile down here, man.
Eh? Which part?
Down though.
Crocodile there.
Just over this one.
In the deep, you know?
Like clear water.
Yeah man, a monster, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Big light.
So them place are sinking.
I'm fishing good milk. Things are doing things are running from me. Don't worry. That is the tourist time. Oh, good. A long time I didn't see that. Get it ready.
They up on the river, you know? Go down the river, yeah?
That's what they really want to go outside, brother.
The river, fish them, fishing. feed out, you know. Should I run a pot in the river down? That's something different.
I wired up them, you want to see? Stand on the water. For a while.
Boom chakalisha. Boof.
Find it.
More than you know, watch out.
Yeah.
You see him live.
Why bullfrog there?
See there?
One day, until one day.
Alright, I'm gonna jump with the rock. But I have mud. See him. Big up, right? Please on choke him.
But I bullfrog can't swim soon. See there?
More?
I mean more. Go right here.
You never seen this long time?
See one now? See there?
Enough for them, watch it.
Watch it. What's in the more in there?
See him live, brother. How much are them?
What you mean now? What's that down in there?
Let them in there.
Watch it. Check, give me now.
Bullfrog.
Don't want to come back in dead, man. Ain't now move.
No,
None
dead.
of them are dead.
I'm not sending him.
I'm dead in a
Boom, go out, watch out.
On a float up on water, that one.
Watch it, more come out in there, see? So this one there.
Watch
Black
it
one
on
there.
there.
Black one there.
Here one more, yeah?
Oh, and the white different. Can't then breed up, man. Alright, so people, so my journey has come to an end right now. Just so I go back, you understand? So I may say yes guys, thanks for watching this little adventure. Hope you guys enjoy it. Don't know, subscribe to the channel for more adventures like this and for other future videos. Yeah, thanks for watching guys and peace out.